Hi, Joe Cerrone. This is a recording of the video meeting for Tuesday, June 26th. We're posting all of the work that needs to be covered in Module 3 on the splash page. And so the assignment for this week is right here, Module 3. You're to complete these 5 drawing plates. And then you have a choice of either a mechanical drawing or an architectural drawing. You can do both if you want. The title blocks are located right here, and so for the plates, you can download the plate title block and click on it and open it. And then remember to turn on the menu bar and set up your grid and snap. Under drafting settings, make sure your snap is on and your grid is on. I usually like polar tracking, and then I like to turn off the object snaps. The B-size template for the architecture drawing is right here. And the same for the mechanical title block. The instructions for how to do the labs are right here. And so right beneath it, Module 3 video of how to do the assignments. And so this is the best way, rather than to go through and have a video meeting telling people the instructions, we have the instructions specifically with a video. And so this video shows you how to do these general design drawings, and it goes through with some tips and tricks to make everything work. The videos for these other 2 drawings are in the Module 3. And so if I go to Content, Module 3, it basically is kind of redundant. We put it on the splash page, but the modules have each of the chapter contents in them. And so here's the videos. Okay, here's a video on how to do the mechanical assignment. And then there's a video on how to do the architectural. They have actually 2 parts. Part 1, taking it from scratch, and then part 2, shows how to embellish it, add things like hatch patterns and dimensions. So there's a video for each of the assignments: the general design, the architectural design, and the mechanical. And so students should do these 5 plates, and then they can take their choice of either this drawing or this one. And then if you want more work, there's a bonus staircase drawing. The review questions are bonus. You don't have to do them. They're extra credit. There's some additional drawing problems if you are interested in doing them. Again, you don't have to do these. Here's some more information on the architectural drawing. Some people want to be able to put in architectural links and things like that to like, not architectural links, but landscape blocks. Here's the drawing assignment for the mechanical. Here's PowerPoint, and then here's a link to that same video that shows how to do the 5 plates. So that's Module 3, and then there is a quiz. If you go under quizzes and exams, the Chapter 2 test is available for you to take, and you can take that more than once. And it'll be automatically graded, and we'll release the next test on the 22nd. Actually, this one is available, so we tend to release these 2 a week. Take your assignments, save them as a drawing file, and then put them in the module Dropbox that's appropriate. And so the assignments from Module 3 go in the Module 3 assignments. And then we'll go through and we'll evaluate those for you. And so when you see this evaluate, we will give you feedback on your drawings, and we'll also return your drawings with markups. You know, whether your drawing was complete, graphically accurate, uses proper design rules, etc. Okay, so as a quick review, Module 3. There's also a video on the content of Chapter 3, and so I like to just read the books for you, and then I'll go through and tell you kind of what's important in there, how to use it, and then I'll tie that into the book. And so when it talks about templates and title blocks, I'll show you how those title blocks, how we use them, and how they relate to the drawings in the book. Okay, and then the Module 3, 5 drawings, a mechanical or an architectural. Here's the title blocks and the video of how to do the general design. And then Module 3 has additional work. So that completes my recording of what we covered in the video meeting 6/23, 6 p.m.